Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Among many news which has come recently regarding boosting the combat power of Indian Army and Indian Air Force, there is another new update regarding the anti-tank guided missile. The two ATGM variants which I am talking about here are Helena and Dhruvastra. Before providing the latest update on these ATGM, which I have mentioned here, let me first give a quick intro about these two variants for those who are not aware. Helena, which is also known as helicopter based Nag missile, is a fire and forget class anti tank guided missile. This missile can be fired via HAL's Advanced Light Helicopter. Helena is an all weather, day and night capable missile which can destroy and demolish the battle tanks with conventional armor and as well as explosive reactive armor. The Helena missile can engage targets both in direct hit mode as well as top attack mode. Now, coming to Dhruvastra anti tank guided missile, the Indian Air Force variant of Helena weapon system is called Dhruvastra. So, both Dhruvastra and Helena are somewhat similar, but it's just that the name differs based on which defense force is using it. The actual news for which this video has been uploaded is regarding the successful completion of required vital user trials of these anti-tank guided missiles along with the launchers. The next step is about the process of issuing the acceptance of necessity by the Indian Army. Live firing of 5 missions were carried out to evaluate the missile capabilities in their minimum and maximum range. These anti-tank guided missiles were fired against realistic, static, and moving targets. Some missions were carried out with warheads against dummy tanks as well. As per the different sources, it looks like currently the task of human machine interface is being configured, and post this, these missiles would be ready for induction and orders. So, what actually is human machine interface? A human machine interface is defined as a feature or component of a certain device which enables humans to engage and interact with machines via touch screens. To be more precise, the human machine interface software enables the operators to manage the machinery via graphical user interface. The Indian Army is ready for the missile acquisition, which is expected to cost under 1 crore per unit, and the initial demand is of 500 missiles and 40 launching tubes. In future, Indian Air Force would also be planning to acquire these missiles for the light combat helicopters. So that was a quick update on the Helena anti-tank guided missile completing all kinds of user trials. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.